Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this stuff. So I don't have any idea where we put these. So snacks. Oh my gosh, snacks. We go right here. Oh, so I have snacks in there. Oreos, yo. Oreos. Oh. So this go in the bin. We'll go to the recycling place. Yeah. Plain stuff. We did the sort of stuff here. That was amazing. Oh well though. The jelly we got is already done. Oh, strawberries. Oh, I know. Let's put this in here. Okay. We put that in there. We did. Put that in there. This milk can go right here. Oh, I can put this one. Alright, organized and done.
You okay?
Yeah. Yep.
These things go in the fridge, my dear Joel. The fridge, the cheese, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done. And after, you will take the rubbish for me when you finish, yeah? Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And this in the fridge as well.
Yeah.
Down there.
Where?
In the chamber there. Where fruits go. Oh, it's full. Strawberries You see there's fruits. Don't sit in the house hungry. No, cheese that doesn't go there. It will get like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. You're doing well. I know. Oh, goodness. Now I have to cook.
That's what. And soon. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye, guys.